Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll guide you through the entire process of creating a Binance account on your mobile device and clearly explain how futures trading works. I'll break everything down step by step, so even complete beginners in cryptocurrency can easily follow along. First, let's start with how to register for a Binance account. Before we begin, make sure you have the Binance app installed on your phone. Once the app has finished installing, open the Binance application. On the main screen, tap the Sign Up button to get started. You can choose to register using either your email address or your mobile phone number. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Then tap Continue to move forward. Binance will send a verification code to the email or phone number you selected. Once you receive the code, enter it into the verification field shown on the screen. Next, you'll be prompted to set up a secure password for your account. Your password should include uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers, and must be at least 8 characters long. After creating your password, you'll arrive at the Inviter confirmation page. At this step, make sure to select Yes. Once you select Yes, a referral code input box will appear. In this field, enter the referral code SKY333. By using this referral code, you'll receive a 20% trading fee discount and additional bonus rewards. That's why it's very important to enter the referral code before completing the sign-up process. Now, let's move on to the identity verification, also known as KYC. Binance requires KYC verification to allow deposits, trading, and withdrawals. First, select your nationality from the list displayed on the screen. Next, choose the type of identification document you want to use. Several document options will appear on your screen. For most users, a passport is usually the easiest and most convenient option. Once you have your document ready, tap Take Pictures to proceed. Position your passport inside the frame and take a clear photo of the information page. After that, you'll move on to the facial verification process. Carefully follow the on-screen instructions during this step. Once all verification steps are finished, your application will be submitted for review. The review process typically takes about 1 hour. Once approved, your account status will be updated to verified. Next, let's set up Google Authenticator to strengthen your account security. Start by returning to the app's main home screen. Tap the Binance logo located in the top left corner. Then tap the arrow icon in the upper right section of the menu. Navigate to the security menu from the list. Select Authenticator app from the available security options. Tap Enable to begin the setup process. Enter the verification code that was sent to your email or phone number. You will now see the Authenticator setup screen. On this screen, copy the 16-digit setup key provided. Next, install the Google Authenticator app on your smartphone. Once the app is open, tap the plus icon in the bottom right corner. Select Enter a setup key. For the account name, enter Binance. In the key field, paste the 16-digit key you copied earlier from the Binance app. Then tap Add to complete the setup. A 6-digit authentication code will now be generated. Copy this code. Then return to the Binance app. Enter the code into the Authenticator app code field. Once confirmed, your security setup will be fully completed. To start futures trading, you'll need to switch your account to Pro mode. Go back to the main home screen once again. Tap the Binance logo in the top left corner again. If you see the Binance Pro option, simply select it to activate Pro mode. Secondly, let's review how to deposit funds through peer-to-peer trading. Tap the Assets icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Futures is the wallet used for futures trading activities. Spot is the wallet that supports deposits, withdrawals, and spot trading transactions. Select Spot from the list of wallet options, then tap the Add Funds button. On the next screen, you'll see several different methods available to fund your account. For this guide, we will use the peer-to-peer deposit option. Now, tap the icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Select the local currency you plan to use for the transaction. Next, choose the cryptocurrency you want to purchase. In most cases, USDT is the most commonly used and preferred choice. Tap this button to move on to the next stage. Enter the exact amount of cryptocurrency you would like to buy. Tap the button once more to continue. You'll then be directed to a page displaying the payment information. A full list of available sellers will be shown on your screen. For safety purposes, it's advisable to choose sellers with high ratings and a large number of completed transactions. Choose one seller from the list, then tap the Buy button. Keep in mind that some sellers may require additional verification procedures. Enter the exact amount you intend to purchase for this transaction. Before moving forward, carefully check all of the seller's information. If everything looks correct, tap Place Order to proceed. After placing your order, the seller's bank account details will be displayed. Before making any transfer, open the chat box and read the seller's instructions carefully. When transferring the funds, make sure to double-check the account holder's name and account number. Now, proceed with the payment using your chosen payment method. Once the payment has been completed, tap Upload Payment Proof. Upload at least one clear screenshot or receipt to confirm the payment. After uploading, tick the confirmation box located at the bottom of the screen. Then tap Transferred and choose Notify Seller to let the seller know that the payment has been sent. The USDT will soon be released and automatically deposited into your spot wallet. Finally, I'll walk you through how to trade on Binance futures step by step. Before placing any futures trades, you must first move funds from your spot wallet to your futures wallet. Start by opening your spot wallet. Inside the spot wallet, tap Transfer to begin the internal transfer process. Set the transfer direction from spot wallet to USD and futures. Next, select the asset you want to transfer, then enter the amount you wish to move. After a brief moment, the transferred balance will be reflected in your futures wallet. To access the futures trading screen, tap Futures in the bottom right corner of the app. The Binance Futures trading interface will now open. At the top left corner, tap the trading pair area to choose the market you want to trade. For this demonstration, I'll select the BTC USDT trading pair. Now, let's take a look at the margin mode options to manage your risk. In cross mode, your entire available balance is shared among all open positions. In isolated mode, only the margin allocated to that specific position is used. For beginners, isolated mode is usually the safer choice to reduce potential losses. Next, move on to setting the leverage for your position. Binance allows leverage of up to 150x. Although higher leverage can increase potential profits, it also significantly raises risk. If you are new to futures trading, it is highly recommended to start with low leverage. Now, determine your trade direction based on your market outlook. If you expect the price to go up, tap Buy to prepare for a long position. If you expect the price will fall, tap Sell to open a short position. Here, you can check the margin currently available for this trade. Below that, tap to choose the order type that matches your trading plan. You can select either a limit order or a market order. Enter the order price you want and the quantity to trade. If you are opening a position expecting a price increase, tap Buy Long to confirm. If you are opening a position expecting a price decrease, tap Sell Short to confirm. By tapping the Positions button at the bottom, you can track the real-time status of your open positions. ROI shows your current profit or loss percentage in real time. Entry price indicates your average entry price for the position. Mark price reflects the current reference market price. Liquidation price shows the price level where the position would be forcibly closed. To manage risk more effectively, tap TPSL to set take profit and stop loss levels. When you're ready to exit the trade, tap the Close button. Choose whether to close the position at market price, or close it using a limit order. Enter the closing price and the amount you want to close. Then tap Confirm. Once the confirmation is completed, the position will be fully closed. In today's video, we took an easy and detailed look at how to sign up for Binance and how to trade futures. Every section was broken down step by step so that anyone could easily understand and follow along. If you have any questions, or if anything in the video was not completely clear, please feel free to leave a comment below. I'll make sure to review your comments and reply as promptly as I can. Thank you very much for watching this video all the way to the end.